Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Mr. TECHFOX here, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a Facebook account using your phone. So grab your phone, make sure you have internet, and let's jump right into it. But I have a request: if you are new in this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, first thing first, we need the Facebook app. So go to the Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. So as I am using Android right now, so I'm gonna open Play Store. And then you have to click on the search button, and here you have to search Facebook. And after then install this app. After installing the app, click on this open button, and then you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this create new account button, and then click on this get started. And here you can upload your contacts or not. I'm choosing don't allow. And here you have to provide your first and last name. I'm providing for mine. And then normally click on this next button. And here you have to choose your birthday. So I'm gonna choose my birthday here. And after choosing your birthday, click on this set button and next button. And now pick your gender, male, female or custom. I'm choosing male here. Clicking on this next button. And this part is very important. If you want to use your phone number for verification, you can enter your phone number here, or if you want to use your email address, you can use your email here also by clicking on this button. So as I want to use my email address instead of a phone number, so I'm choosing this option. And here you have to provide your email address. And after then click on this next button. And here you have to provide a strong password here. Make sure that you are making a password with letters, numbers and special characters. And then click again on this next button. And now if you want to save your login info, click on this save button or click on this not now button. I'm choosing not now. And click on this I agree button. And congratulations, you have officially created your Facebook account. Now you can add a profile picture, write a short bio and start adding friends. Go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. It's all about making your profile your own. And one last thing, make sure that you have verified your email address with the confirmation code. And after confirming your account will be eligible to use. And that's it friends, you just made your own Facebook account using your phone. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Drop a comment if you want me to make a tutorial on Instagram, TikTok or Snapchat next. Thanks for watching, this is Mr. TECHFOX signing off. Allah Hafiz.